y'all, I'm Khadija Nicole and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be flat iron curling this beautiful hair from Ishow hair. Super nice, super soft. I had some flexi rod curls in it. You can check out that video. But today I'm going to be curling it with my flat iron to get some bouncy, you know, real cute curls. So stay tuned for that. And I have all the details on this hair in the description box below. So of course, before I even begin to curl the hair or anything, I'm going to make sure that it is detangled very nicely. So right now I'm just making sure my hair is nice and smooth with no type of tangles or knots. Yeah, just going in with my brush right now, making sure it's nice and sleek. And after that, I'll be ready to go ahead and section my hair off into medium-sized sections and begin to curl my hair. Now, using the flat iron, it could be a little bit tricky, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes a lot easier. So I like to curl away from my face. Sometimes I switch it up, curling towards my face and away from it. But today, I decided to just completely curl away from my face. So right now, I'm just like curling backwards, and then as I go, I'm just opening and closing the flat iron like really quick, almost like a tap method, and then I'll flick my wrist and then continue to do the same thing down. It's kind of hard to explain, but you guys can just watch and see how I'm doing it, and a little bit later on in the video you'll be able to see it even better of the technique that I'm using. And I always like to do this way when I curl my hair. I don't even have a regular curling iron right now, so I always just curl my hair with a flat iron, and it turns out pretty good, as you guys can see, nice and bouncy. And I'm just going to continue this same technique for all of the hair. As you see here, just getting the hair in between the flat iron. I'm trying to get it going. Like I said, it can be a little bit tricky, but once you get the hang of it, you know, it gets a lot easier. So I'm just going down, doing the tap method, then flicking it a little bit. Tap, and twisting, tap, twist, tap, and continuing on. And yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys see me continue to do this for the rest of my hair. And just to remind you guys, this is a 24-inch Bodywave lace front wig from Ishow hair. So here you guys can see just a little bit better of what I'm doing. Like I said, I'm just going down the hair in a tap motion, then flicking my wrist a little bit and continuing to tap down. And I just do this till I get to the end of the section. And although flexi rodding your hair is, you know, kind of easier to do, I like the different look that both of the two give. Flexi rod gives a different look than a flat iron, and a flat iron gives a different look than the flexi rod. So yeah, I like to interchange the two types of ways of curling my hair. And now your girl is complete. As you guys can see, these curls are nice and bouncy, but of course I'm not going to leave them like this, so I'm just going to finger comb through them so they just fall very natural and nicely. And these are my complete results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Helps your girl out. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and join the team. Right after that, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you are instantly notified whenever I post a new video here on my channel. And yes, I went ahead and tucked it behind the ear. I feel like this look is just, it's so cute. But yes, y'all, hope you guys enjoyed this video. With all that being said, your girl is out. Deuces.